So over the years of my journalism career, I have been to many manufacturing plants, from commuters to scooters to performance motorcycles. As you can see, I am at the UltraViolette manufacturing plant in Bangalore, and the X47 is getting built behind me. But today it is different because I am not just gonna see the bikes being built, but I am gonna actually build these bikes. So in this video, you will see how the X47 is manufactured, and more importantly, I hope that there is no recall for the bike built by us. So follow me. So this is the first stage of the pre-assembly. Over here, the battery pack and the motor are being assembled. Once this is done, it moves forward and the rolling chassis starts to take shape. So this is one of the early stages of the motorcycle production. Right over here is the rear brake assembly, and we're going to do that. So this is one of the first pre-assembly steps over here. What we are doing is the wheel balancing. Now the balancing of the wheel is very critical for the handling dynamics of the motorcycle in terms of vibrations and in terms of stability. So what we'll do is just taking the balance of the wheel, and based on that we'll be adding some weights on the wheel to make sure that it is perfectly balanced. And this is where the rolling chassis comes into effect, because from here the battery pack, once you come to this station, the rear wheel is added, the front wheel is added, and the front suspension is added, and also the upper triple clamp and the handlebar. So this is where the motorcycle comes into a rolling form, and this is where the magic starts. So once the UTC is added, we go to the next station where the main thing is the handlebar. The handlebar is also positioned on the bike. So on this line, the connecting panel is being fixed on the motorcycle. This ensures that the charging port is fixed properly, and this is very crucial because this is how you charge a motorcycle. So this assembly is crucial. All the components have to be on perfect position, and in terms of the bolts also have to be tightened properly. So on this section, the form of the motorcycle comes in place, because this is where the panels are added to the motorcycle and it gets its final form. So the final assembly of this motorcycle is being done, and it is being rolled off for the final quality check, and after that it will be shipped to the dealership. The first stage of the quality check is done on the dyno rig. On the dyno run, various parameters of the X47 are verified. The rider checks the motor performance in different riding modes, whether the bike is meeting the performance benchmark or not. Over here, if any issues are faced with the battery or motor, it is resent to the main line for rectification. So this is one of the most critical aspects in the manufacturing of the X47, because it is the only motorcycle in the country to get a radar technology. Over here, the final radar calibration is done on the motorcycle. Once the calibration is done, it is shown on the computer whether it's perfect or not. After that, the motorcycle rolls out for final inspection. When it comes to the final check, there are multiple parameters that need to be verified, and this includes visual and physical inspection. From basic tests like the keyhole, handle lock, side stand, to major tests like the graphics of the console, if every mode is working or not, the switch gear is functioning properly. As you can see, there are a lot of checks. The other parameters such as the front and rear lights, indicators, and the speakers are also checked. And if you notice, the X47 is put on a paddock stand to verify if the different ride modes are working or not, how is the regen effect, and the throttle calibration. So this was the process by which a UltraViolette X47 motorcycle is being manufactured. First thing I want to talk about the plant. The plant is very airy. There's a lot of natural light. There's a lot of space for the workers to work around. It doesn't feel very consigned or compressed, which is the case in some of the manufacturing facilities that I visited. So in terms of workstation, there's a lot of free space for them to move around, and the process is being cut down into different aspects. There's pre-assembly, and there is mid-assembly, and there is final assembly. So the process is clean. The process itself is very difficult. It's very precise to that point. As you can see, all the workers are very focused and disciplined, because that is very crucial when you are manufacturing a motorcycle, because this is a premium electric motorcycle. This is high technology over here. Personally, for me, this was a very interesting day because I'm a mechanical engineer by qualification and I have worked on certain factories. To build a motorcycle was a dream that everybody thinks of, and I finally got to live my dream of building a motorcycle. It looks very easy. It is not very easy because you need a lot of focus, something that I'm not very good at, but hopefully I can improve. And in terms of the overall process, it was an interesting day. What's your take on this video? You think we should get you more such kind of manufacturing videos? Do let us know in the comments. What's your take on the X47? Are you planning to buy one, or you have any queries on this motorcycle? Drop them in the comments and we will try to answer. And thank you for watching.